everybody, this is Mr. Baker, and today we're going to be learning about energy stores. Energy is in everything. It's an integral part of the things around you and everything in the universe. It's being transferred between things we call systems all the time. It makes things do things. It's really pretty important. You'll be able to use your knowledge about the stores of energy and how they're transferred in future lessons to be able to calculate how much energy objects in systems have. To describe energy and how it's transferred, we need to define some terms. So in physics, we describe a system as an object or a group of objects. Open systems are systems which interact with their environment so that energy or mass can be added or removed from them. For example, a pot of water on a stove is an open system because energy in the form of heat is added to the water by the stove. A closed system is an isolated system in which no energy transfers take place out of or into the energy stores of the system. Energy can be transferred between energy stores within a closed system. The total energy of the system is always the same before and after any such transfers, and we'll look at that in future lessons. In physics, we talk about 8 energy stores. These are nuclear energy, the energy within the nuclei of atoms, elastic potential, anything that can be stretched or squashed that has elastic potential, chemical, the energy stored in the bonds of chemical compounds, gravitational potential, this is the energy that's transferred to objects that are lifted in a gravitational field, kinetic, this is the energy in objects that are moving. Electrostatic is the energy in objects that have charge, where they could be repelled or attracted from each other. And similarly, magnetic, the energy in objects that are magnetic, and again here, where they could be repelled or attracted to each other. And then finally, thermal. Thermal energy is the vibration of particles in an object, and that gives it its thermal energy. One way to remember these energy stores is by using something called a mnemonic. You could make up your own, or you could use this one. Not even clever gorillas know every magical thing. Energy can be transferred in 4 different ways. In mechanical work, a force moving an object through a distance, for example, somebody pedaling a bike and moving the wheels. Electrically, this is when charges are moving due to a potential difference. These are terms you'll learn when you do electrical circuits, but any circuit is an example of this. Here we've got a bulb lighting up because of the transfer of electrical energy to it. By heating, due to the temperature difference caused by chemical reactions or electrically. Conducting heat through a pan to an egg is an example of this. And by radiation. This is energy transferred as a wave. For example, light, infrared or sound are all types of radiation. The sun emits light radiation and infrared radiation. A singer radiates sound to our ears. We sometimes use diagrams to describe energy changes. Here, a car transfers chemical energy from the fuel to the useful kinetic energy store of the car as it moves. And the wasted energy is our thermal energy. So here, how is the energy transferred? Well, it's transferred mechanically to the wheels which are moving. So we have some movement there, so it's mechanical transfer. We can call our kinetic energy the useful energy because that's what we want the car to do. We want it to move. And the wasted energy is radiated into the surroundings. And then that causes the surroundings to heat up. And so they have a thermal store. That's it for energy stores.